Hello everyone and welcome to the second tutorial video for the virtual robot racing. In this video I'm going to cover how to test your robot AI in the Testbed application. Now this was designed to be as easy as possible, so this should be a fairly short video. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we want to do is open up the Testbed zip we've already downloaded and extract that to the location of your choice. So go ahead and do that, wait for it to extract. And there we go, now we've got our Testbed application. You'll see the EXE right here, Virtual Robot Racing Testbed. Let's go ahead and run that once so you can see what it's like. There we go, so we'll start your simulation. You choose your robot first, choose your track. Oh, no AI is detected. Well, that makes sense, we haven't actually done anything. So let's go ahead and exit this. I'll do it the quick way with Alt F4. Now we need to actually add our DLL to the testbed so that it can pull it. You'll see that after we've run it once, it's already created the AI folder. You can create that yourself if you don't want to run it first. But let's go ahead and go to our build folder. And we've got the DLL that we built. Let's go ahead and put that in the Testbed's AI folder. It's there, and we'll run the Testbed again. Now let's go through the steps. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing our DLL as an option, so we'll select that, start simulation, and now it's using our DLL. So if you have any trouble with that, don't hesitate to reach out via any of the social media or Discord channels we have available on our website. And it really is as easy as that, though. So, happy programming, and thanks for watching our videos.